All right, so next is the seated row. Seated row is another one where posture is integral. There's a lot of core activation, there's a lot of stability being used, and it's also one of the exercises that pretty much achieves something that a lot of other exercises can, and it's really working the rhomboid. So the rhomboid is actually right down the middle of the back, right between the scapula. It's probably one of the most effective muscles to work if you find that you have rounded shoulders. Sitting at a desk or that posture isn't quite there, it tends to bring the shoulders back. So a really strong rhomboid right there is a really good foundation for a good posture and a strong back. So what we're looking at trying to do is set yourself. I like to set myself nice and close so I don't have to reach forward and strain my lower back as I pull back on the weight. I have my feet positioned on the pegs and my knees rather locked like this. I set my back first, so I get my shoulders back, my chest up, get that posture, activate the core, and then I push back like so. So I'm already locked and ready to go. So slight bend in the knees, kind of like if you were sitting in a go-kart, and a slight lean, so just enough to counter that weight. If you're sitting too far forward, it really puts a lot of stress on that lower back, and you're looking to minimize that as much as possible. So neutral position for the hands, just like that. So you don't want them too far over or over like this, just like that. Shoulders are still locked back, we're not rounding them forward. So you can see there's a lot of movement just in the scapula there, that's keeping the tension on the back. And as you're pulling back like this, keep the elbows as close as you can to your body. So like that, and like this. So effectively what you're trying to do is you're trying to squeeze in the middle of the back as much as you possibly can. So if I had a pencil and I was holding it up to the middle of your back, you're trying to hold it there. So really squeeze, keep the elbows as close to your body as you can, and squeeze through the middle of the back. And that's it.